So if you're new on this channel, this is Charles Chinon. So and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So for you to set an auto reply message on WhatsApp Business, you can see right here, just come to your WhatsApp application like this and click on where we have tools down here. So once you click on tools, also ensure that your WhatsApp is updated. Ensure it is updated so that you get to have access to this feature. So then you come over to where we have away message. Can you see it right here? Away message. So once you click on away message, so over here you can see send away message. It is turned off. So you want to turn this on. Once you turn this on, then over here where you have this pencil icon, you get to customize the away message to your preference. So right here, you quickly write something that you want your customers or your prospects or whoever enters your DM should see whenever they message you. So once you are done filling all this, writing what you prefer to be here, then you click on OK. Then right here you can see we have schedule. It is set as always sent. So you want to leave it as always sent. We have recipients. It is set as sent to everyone. You want to also leave that as sent to everyone. So once you're done with all this, then you proceed and click on save right here. So once you're done saving it, it means whenever you are not online, then WhatsApp help you send a message on your behalf. And when you come back online, you can continue from where you stop, from where the conversation stops. I believe you got value. If you did, ensure you like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.